So here they are asking us what they are basically giving us the zeros of a quadratic equation, right? So this is these are like the two solutions, and they are telling us we need to figure out what a plus b is, given that a is an integer greater than 1, right? So the way we're going to start this one is we're going to basically write out what we know. So we know that there is some integer a, right? And we kind of want to get this into a form ax squared plus bx so we can figure out what b is, right, for this particular equation. And the way we can do that is we can use the zeros, right? So x minus 7 will go here, and then we would get an x minus 3, right? So again, these are just basically where our parabola touches the x-axis, right? Because our y values for each of these points is 0. So continuing, we're going to just simplify this now so that we will get a times x squared, and then we will have a 3x minus 7x, so that's going to be a minus 4x, and then minus 7 plus times plus 3, that's going to be a minus 21. We don't really care about the c term anyways. And now we're going to distribute the a, so we can make our lives a little bit easier. So then we have ax squared minus 4ax minus 21a. Okay, so now we know what our b term is, right? Because our b term is the one with just an x and no squared, right? So we know that b is going to be equal to minus 4a. So let's figure out what a plus b is. All we got to do is add a on both sides. So a plus b is going to be equal to minus 4a plus a, which is the same thing as minus 3a. Therefore, a plus b is equal to minus 3a. And now we just need to figure out what could be the value of a plus b, right? So we know that a is an integer greater than 1, so a can be anything greater than 1, like 2, 3, 4, right? So we're just going to choose 2. So minus 3 times 2, that's going to be minus 6. So there you have it. A plus b could be minus 6. That's the only one that makes sense out of all of these options.